Welcome back. Today in this video we will know about a mind-blowing Chrome extension that will help you to record your browser screen and taking screenshots of your browser, and it will provide the functionality of writing on that screenshot. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. So for adding that extension, click on these three dots, click on extension, click on visit Chrome Web Store. Here search screenshot and screen recording. Click on this one, click on add to Chrome, add extension. Here you can see the extension is successfully added. Now let's check how it works. So for testing it, I will open a Wikipedia website. Guys, if you are a YouTuber or you are a teacher, you take online sessions or offline sessions, then you can use this extension for teaching your students. Let me show you how you can use. So click on extension, click on that. If you want to take the screenshot of your whole web page, then you can take it by pressing Alt plus H. And if you want to take the screenshot of the visible area of your web page, then you can take it by Alt plus A. And if you want to take a screenshot of selected area, then you can take it by Alt plus C, like that. You can cancel, you can save, and you can increase the size of screenshot like that. You can save it from here and you can cancel it from here. This tool will help you to upload the image and write on that image. Like I have this image. Now with the help of this tool, I can write on this image anything that I want. Simply delete or drag and drop. So now let's move forward. This will help you to edit the content of your web page like that. Let me show you. Click on that. Here you can edit content of your web page, and you can print the web page as it is. By after editing, you can take the screenshot of the web page and you can print the screenshot. With this tool you can remove the ads of your web page, and after removing you can print that page. Here are more features of recording. You can record desktop, this tab, camera. From here you can select the camera. If you have external camera, then you can select that one. From here I can select the mic. So guys, that's all for now. If you have any query, then you can ask in comment section, so explore it on your end. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.